Charleston Executive Airport. Automated weather on.
Charleston Executive 15 Victor on departure on runway east.
Alright. Alright, seatbelts are on. Flaps are going up. The heat vent defrost, don't need that. Avionics are on. Transponder is on standby. Altimeter set. Alright, let's listen to the weather.
Charleston Executive Airport. Automated weather observation 1621 Zulu. Wind 360 at 4 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000.
Alright, okay. Altimeter set, radio test. Executive traffic 730, radio check, executive. Executive traffic 730, taxiing from Atlantic, Charlie to runway 4, executive. Executive traffic 730, holding short, runway 4, executive. Alright, gonna do the run-ups. Brakes are set, fuel is on, trim for takeoff. Flight controls, we've got elevators up and down, left aileron, right aileron. Instruments, left to the right, everything looks good. Alright, mixture for best power. Primer is in and locked, 1700 RPM.
Charleston Executive Mooney turning left downwind, 04,000 feet.
Alright, first mag looks good. Both mags. Alright. Carpet out. Notice the drop. We've got good vacuum, we've got good amps, we've got oil pressures in the green, oil temperatures in the green. Idle check closed. Does stay running, back to 1000. Alright, throttle friction, alright, pre-takeoff, flaps all the way up, make sure for best power.
Charleston Executive Mooney's midfield left downwind, 04.
Carpet off, pitot heat is not required, heading indicator to compass, that looks good. Doors and windows, go ahead and shut the windows. Transponder on altitude encoding. Alright. Landing light on, strobes on, time and brakes. 11:30, alright. Don't see any traffic.
Charleston Executive Mooney turning left base 04.
Charleston Executive 15 Victor, inbound for runway 4, going to cross midfield.
traffic 730. Going to do another radio check just to make sure you're able to hear me.
Frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the
We expect to be number 2 behind you, the RNAV4 GPS executive.
Okay, we'll be looking for you. Geronimo is now on a 3-mile final for runway 4.
Traffic 809 Echo Mike, turn left crosswind, runway 4. We'll be departing from the downwind to the west.
Alright, so we just passed the lighthouse. We are, let's see, northeast track to Bulls Island. Alright.
Every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no
Passing by the connector now, which we will be turning left at on the way back.
Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll.
So we're about to be
Cessna Executive 15 Victor turning crosswinds on runway 4.
Alright, and we're about to turn our left turn around the peninsula of Bulls Island. And then we're going to head back down the Intercoastal Waterway all the way back to the Isle of Palms connector. And make sure we're at 1500.
Late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice, cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. The girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll, baby.
Alright, we are almost to the connector. We're going to make our left turn here in a second.
These lazy days are never done.
Executive traffic 730, 6 miles east of the field, inbound for runway 4, executive.
Charleston Executive turning downwind for runway 4. 15 Victor.
Alright, we're going to start our descent down to 1,000 feet, and then we're going to enter midfield for downwind 4.
0, 2, 6 inches of mercury. Charleston Executive Airport. Automated weather observation 1655 Zulu. Wind 360 at 6 knots. Visibility.
Alright, about to enter midfield. Executive traffic 730, entering midfield for runway 4, executive.
Charleston Executive 15 Victor is on the go on runway 4.
15 Victor, you are in sight.
Roger that. Cessna Executive 15 Victor, turning crosswinds on runway 4, 15 Victor.
Executive traffic 730, left downwind 4 Executive. Turned a little bit too quick, but carpeed out, pitched back, throttle down to 1700, flaps down 20 degrees.
Cessna Executive 15 Victor, turning downwind on runway 4, 15 Victor.
Executive traffic 730, left base runway 4 Executive. Executive traffic 730, turning final for runway 4, touch and go Executive. Alright, we are a little high. Cut the power, nose down. Alright.
Cessna Executive 15 Victor, turning base on runway 4, 15 Victor.
Repeat in, full throttle. 730 on the go, runway 4, staying in the pattern.